Hello students, in this video I'm going to show you how to find the product of two binomials. Now I know that sounds like, Product means the result you get when you multiply. Binomial is going to have two terms, so we're going to multiply two-term binomials, okay? So this is all there is to that. It is not difficult, but you need to know how to do it. Let's say we have x plus 5, and we've got to multiply that times x plus 4. Okay, usually we work within parentheses, and we combine our like terms. Well, those are not like terms. Those are different terms. That's why this is called a binomial, because it has one term here and one term here. They can't be added or subtracted to one another. Okay, but we have to multiply this times this. Those parentheses are hugging each other, right? Okay, so there's something that you may remember called FOIL. First, outer, inner, last. Well, it's easier to me to just say hop over, crawl under, crawl under. We're going to take this first term right here, this x, and we're going to multiply it times each of the terms in the second binomial. So I'm going to hop over and multiply x times x. Well, x times x is going to, because each of those x's has a little understood 1 for its exponent. Anytime we multiply like bases with exponents, we just add the exponents. That's x squared. Just like 3 times 3 is 3 squared. Or 4 times 4 is 4 squared. It's how many times you multiply 4 times itself, or 3 times itself, or x times itself. Okay? So right here we're going to get x squared. All right? Now I'm going to take this and hop over again and multiply it times this second term here, this 4. So x times 4 is just 4x. We write it like that. That means 4 times the unknown x. All right, so we're through with this x right here. Now we're moving over to that 5. We're going to crawl under and multiply 5 times x. And that just gives us 5x. 5 times x, 5 times an unknown amount. Then we're going to crawl under again, multiply 5 times 4. And 5 times 4 is going to give us 20. Okay, this is looking good so far, but we do have some like terms right here in the middle. I have 4x here, and I have 5x here. If I have 4x in a pen and I want to put 5x more in there, altogether I'm going to get 9x. Okay, bring down, and that's a positive because both of those are positive, right? Bring down my x squared, bring down my plus 20, and this represent the same amount. That's the same amount, just written in a different way. Okay, let's do another one. Let's do one that has a negative and a positive in it. Okay, I have x plus 4 times x minus 1. We're doing the exact same thing. I'm going to multiply x times each of these terms, and then I'm going to multiply 4 times each of these terms. Hop over and multiply x times x, which is x squared. Hop over and multiply x times negative 1. Let that sign stick to that 1. Positive times a negative is a negative 1x. Now, let me ask you, do you need that negative, that 1 right there, negative 1? No, we could just write it as negative x, because 1 times anything is just that thing. But we'll keep it like that for now. All right, now I'm going to crawl under and multiply 4 times x, and I get 4x. Both terms are positive. And then 4 times negative 1. Positive times a negative is a negative 4. Okay, my two center terms are like terms. I can circle those like that. Negative 1 plus 4. Find the difference. Keep the sign of your larger number. That's going to give us a 3x. And let me show you why. Let's look at the calculator. Okay, we have negative 1 plus 4. Hit enter and you get your whole number 3. Can y'all see that? There it is. Negative 1 plus 4 gives us a 3. So we have 3x there, and that's going to be a positive 3x. Our larger number is positive. Bring down our x squared, bring down our negative 4, and this amount are the same. Different way of writing the same amount. Let's do another one. Okay, let's do x minus 3 times x minus 5. All right, start with our hop over. X times x gives us x squared. X times negative 5, let the sign stick to it, gives us negative 5x. Crawl under. Negative 3, let the negative stick to the 3. Negative 3 times x is negative 3x. Negative 3 times negative 5. Negative times a negative is a positive 15. Two wrongs make a right when I multiply or divide. Only when I multiply or divide. All right, our two center terms are like terms. If I have negative 5x critters and I put negative 3x critters in there with them, I have a total of negative 8x critters in there. Bring down my x squared, bring down my plus 15, and this amount and this amount are equivalent. Okay, I'm going to give you guys some of these to practice, and next time we will do some more factoring, which this is an important skill in algebra. So I will see you next time.